up, guys? Good morning.
What's up, guys? Good morning. This is just kidding. My first time on camera.
We're at the MGM, guys. A couple of the other boys are showing up with the exotic cars here in about 5 minutes. We're gonna go hit the strip. You know, just go up and down. Hopefully no tickets, not get pulled over, have some fun. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Let us know, leave us a comment what kind of content you guys want to see. That's probably the boys right there.
Thank you, bro.
Oh, you're very welcome, brother. I'm all about, so everybody told me I'd never own cars like this. And I said, bullshit, bro. I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna find a way. And I did it. That's why the company's straight up driven. It's all about motivating people. Go out and get what you want, bro. Yeah, we do some crazy shit, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm tuned in.
Here on the strip, just driving around, making some noise with the boys. Making a little noise out here on the strip. 5 McLarens and the Lamborghini Aventador. Excuse me, sir, do you have any Grey Poupon? What's too loud? Your car? Your car's too loud. I can't even hear mine. Your car? I'm just talking about it. Sounds great.
Yo, bro, shout out to all y'all. Y'all look badass.
Thank you, brother. Really appreciate it.